Okay guys, this is an infinity, and instead of changing the clock spring, I will just change the burnt wires. Okay, this is what we do. Step 1. To take the airbag out, you have to get a T30. One there, one on the other side. The airbag wires are already disconnected. You pull the airbag out. Okay, and to get the airbag out, you have to lift the tabs on top with a small pointed screwdriver, and that's how you take the tabs out. Okay guys, those are the airbag wires. You could get this off of eBay, $20 for both of the wires. Okay, now you cut the burnt wire off. When you cut the burnt wire off, you join the new plugs. Okay, what I usually do is use a heat shrink. Makes the job simple and easy. Okay, I'm going to solder the wire together. Remember, right to right and left to left wires. Okay, I'm going to twist it on together, and I'm going to take my solder gun. I'm going to solder both of them together. Okay, I'm going to get a heat gun, and I'm going to shrink my heat strength on the wires, and that will protect it from rubbing together to make any sparks. Okay, this is finished. Both wires are finished. Okay, now I'm going to wrap this with some electric tape. I'm going to wrap it together. I'm not going to wrap it too close so the wires could fit into the airbag plugs. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay. It's a simple job, guys. It's easy. You can do this yourself. Save yourself a bunch of money. Okay, now that I've secured the wires, I'm now going to install the airbag. You could get this airbag off eBay for $100. Whatever color that you needed. Okay, both tabs are up. I just have to install yellow to yellow and orange to orange. Sorry guys, I gotta hold the camera to get the focus on the video. It's very hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So I'm trying my best to show you guys. I am very new to this. Okay, remember both tabs must be up before installing, and after you install that plug, you push the tabs down. And that's the horn wire. You make sure you plug that up right there. Okay, you install the airbag, nice and easy fit. You put your screws back in. The tool you have to use is a T30. On both sides, you tighten it down, and voila, there you go. You finish. But make sure your battery pole is off.